Hello everyone! In this video, we will see how to remove the black background in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to Adobe Premiere Pro and open it. As you can see, I have already opened it on my PC. To start the process, let's navigate to the Media tab and double-click to open the Media library. Select the files and click on the Open button. Once the selected files are imported into the Media tab, drag them onto the track, and it will create a new sequence. Before proceeding, right-click on the clip and from the menu, select Unlink. This will separate the audio from the video, so select the audio file and remove it. Now let me add the other video clip on the track with the black background and adjust its length by stretching from a side. To remove the black background, navigate to the top right side and in the Effects panel, search for Ultra Key. Once you get the result, drag it onto the video clip. Now, in the Control Effects panel, scroll down to find the Ultra Key effect and select the color picker. Pick the black color in the video, and there you go. The black color is magically removed from the video. Let's have a video preview. And that's it. This is how you can remove the black background in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.